Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Lensflare onto your photo on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to download a backgroundless Lensflare image from a PNG website. Open up your web browser and then type in PNG tree Lensflare within the address bar and start your search. Now from the PNG tree link, go ahead and tap on it and you will find various different kinds of Lensflare. Just download whichever one you wish to add. And once it is downloaded, it will be added onto your gallery. Now, after downloading this image, open up the Snapseed application and tap on the plus icon to open up your desired photo within which you wish to add your Lensflare. After choosing your photo, you will be taken into the edit menu from which you can tap on tools and then scroll down and tap on double exposure. From this option, tap on the plus image icon and then open up the newly downloaded Lensflare image. You can then resize this Lensflare and then pinch in or out to adjust the zoom levels. After you have set the position for your Lensflare, you can choose the transparency settings by tapping on the icon at the bottom right. Then adjust this using the slider, and then you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. And now your Lensflare has been added successfully. You can tap on export to export your image onto your gallery. And there you have it. That is how you can add Lensflare onto your image on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.